It's FabFitFun Mystery Refill Bundle time. So this is it, guys. If these aren't great, I don't think I'm going to order them again. So let's stay tuned to see what we got. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So these are the refill mystery bundles. I paid $19.99 or almost $20 for them. So what I'm looking for is this bundle worth the $20 I put out? Am I going to get at least my $20 investment back from it? So you are going to get 3 items with a guaranteed value, they say, of $75 or more. But what I'm looking for is, would I pay $20 for anything in this bag or for the entire bag? All right, so I'm going to start off with the smaller one because we have a small, a medium, and a larger one. But they were all the same $20 or $19.99, I think. All right, so number 1, kind of tiny. And this is 2501 MYS 011. We have a singular Ahava P-Retinol Sheet Mask. It says Safe Retinol, Firming and Anti-Wrinkle. It is a singular one. We have some creaseless clips by Kitsch. I just got these in something else. I don't remember what. It might have been another mystery bundle. I don't know. And then we have some jewelry. Now, so far, this is not a bundle I would pay $20 for. And so far, I don't think we're even close to $75. So these must have some outrageous price. Okay, it is just like a teardrop shape cubic zirconia. I mean, it's got some pretty facets to it, but remember back when like cubic zirconia was dirt cheap, and now they're acting like it's some semi-precious. It used to be like $5 jewelry. No, I'm going with no for this bundle. I would not pay $20. If this bundle were sitting at a department store and they said, would you pay $20 for this? I would say no. No, I wouldn't. No, that's just not $20. Now, creaseless clips are very useful. I get that. I have the same exact set though. And they're not all that expensive. I'm feeling like $8 maybe. A singular sheet mask. This better be like, it's not even like a 111 skin one. Okay, so bundle number 1. Is it a dud? You tell me. I always feel like out of the 3, there's one that's a super dud. And then there's one that's super good. And then there's one that's okay. So, super dud to me. Next, we're going with the medium-sized one. This does not have a sticker on it to tell me the number, so I cannot share that with you. Although most people get about the same thing in these mystery bundles. A few people will get like some super amazing thing. Most everybody else gets about the same. And I know this because I have 2 accounts and I've gotten them on both accounts and I've gotten the same exact thing. And when I see people open them, I'm like, yeah, that's exactly what I got. All right, well, we'll start with the least exciting item. And that is some Summer and Rose socks. I don't use these type of socks because they tend to fall off my feet unless they are like the Boombas, and those are amazing. So not a good start. Next, by AG Care, we have some fast food leave-in conditioner. And it says it's going to hydrate hair, manage frizz, and that it is lightweight. Okay, that's a winner right there. That is one winner. Then we have this. Sounds like pills. Oh, all right. So these are the Alterna Caviar Moisture Intensive Ceramide Shots. And I'm thinking this is for your hair because they do hair care. So here's what we have. But I don't know. Let me look at the bottle. Yes, you're going to apply this to damp or dry hair. And yes, okay. All right. This bundle I would pay $20 for. Absolutely. All right, FabFitFun. 1 for 1. You guys let me know, though. Was this a dud for you? For me, you know I love hair care, and I got 2 hair care items from brands I love. So, and this, ooh, I'm hoping this works. Because I've been looking at my hair lately and saying, girl, you gotta do something with the hair. I've been masking, everything, you name it. Now in this last one, I can already see an R&Co item. Here we go. This is 2501 MYS 007. So we will start with the least exciting thing, and that is by Invisibobble. And these are some strong grip Invisibobbles. They have a little bit of a, like a velvety covering on them, but I don't use Invisibobbles. I don't know. They don't work for my hair. By R&Co, we have the Bel Air Smoothing Conditioner. So we love R&Co. Excited about that. And then we have something by Short Stories, which is a FabFitFun company. So I can never find prices unless it's in their sale. And this says it is a storage bowl set. Okay, I'm down with that. Oh, okay. Not what I expected. I did not expect these types of lids. And there's another one. So we've got at least 2 in here. Oh, there's 3. Oh, they're glass. Okay. All right. I am down with this too. So we have the 3 size bowls. And okay. I am definitely down with this bundle. Yes, if I went to the store and they said, hey, this bundle is $20. You want it? I will see, you know what I think I do. Okay, that was a surprising win. But you guys let me know, was that a dud for you, or would it have been a win for 20 bucks? Again, for me, I think the last 2 were wins and the first one was a dud. And I don't know, those earrings just aren't my preference. They're just a little big for a stud for me. I don't know. They're pretty. They're just not my style. I'm sure they're overpriced. I'm sure that's $75 alone. The CZ by Kenneth Lane is a very expensive collection. So they are nice. They're just not really my taste. And that's not that I don't wear big earrings, because I do. But big dots on my ear, it's giving me 80s. And I like the 80s, but there are certain things from the 80s or 90s that I could live without. It's giving me 80s working girl. Or was it the early 90s? You know the movie I'm talking about with Melanie Griffith. It's giving me that. And I almost feel like I need like big shoulder pads to wear that, to wear those earrings. All right, well, that's what I have. Let me know what your thoughts are about these mystery bundles. I think they redeemed themselves. I got 2 really good ones, in my opinion, for my taste, and just 1 dud. And if I had only gotten 2 and I'd gotten the 1 dud, I'd probably be disappointed. I'd definitely be having some FOMO if I saw somebody else get one of these bundles. I'd be like, oh, I wish I'd gotten that 3rd bundle. So I'm glad I got 3 bundles, and I'm glad I can share them with you today. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.